Zanu PF Mashonaland, Central Endorses Mnangagwa 2030, Agenda amid CONCRNS over power consolidation. The 12th of September 2025, Spread the Love. By a correspondent, the ruling Zanu PF party in Mashonaland Central has unanimously endorsed President Emmerson Mnangagwa's continued stay in power until 2030, with provincial leaders insisting that only he can complete the country's Vision 2030 development program. The endorsement came during a provincial coordinating committee meeting in Bandura on Wednesday, where all 8 districts submitted resolutions backing the extension of Mnangagwa's leadership beyond his current term. Mbayer District's first resolution is that His Excellency remain in office beyond 2030 because he is doing good works, a ZANU PF member added. Musarabani District also called for Mnangagwa to lead the country until and beyond 2030 to see the fulfillment of his vision. Summarizing the resolutions, ZANU PF Mashonaland Central Deputy Secretary for Administration, Costain Sabao, said, in recognition of the exceptional servant leadership qualities by the President and First Secretary of ZANU PF, His Excellency CDE Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, and consistent with Resolution Number 1 of the 2024 Annual People's Conference, we hereby re-echo the same sentiments calling for the extension of the term of office of the President from 2028 to 2030. ZANU PF Politburo member Kenneth Musanhi explained the procedural background, noting that resolutions form part of preparations for the annual National People's Conference. Each time we go to a conference, we come up with resolutions, and those come from the districts. This meeting was meant to consolidate them, he said. War Veterans, the Youth League, and the Women's League also presented recommendations backing Mnangagwa's continued leadership, while ruling party members framed the endorsements as loyalty to a visionary leader. Critics argue the move reflects the shrinking space for dissent within ZANU PF and a broader attempt to consolidate power at the expense of democratic accountability. Analysts warn that extending Mnangagwa's term through party resolutions risks undermining constitutional norms and signals a return to the era of personality-driven politics, where loyalty to the leader overshadows institutional checks and balances.